Hello, and welcome to a new series where I find and create low-calorie, high-protein recipes so you don't have to. In today's episode, we have flexible dieting lifestyle. We're going to be making our Protein Oreo Cheesecake, fat-free or low-fat cottage cheese, fat-free Greek yogurt, sweetener of your choice, some cheesecake jello pudding, Legion's casein protein. I'm sponsored by them, no big deal. Cocoa powder, or cacao as the kids like to say. Oreo thins if you want to make it a little decadent. You need to blend all these ingredients together. We're gonna pour it into our cheesecake dish. I had to really crawl into the pantry and find this. Not sure if this is even gonna be too big, but that's the fun of trying to do these recipes that people put out there and then actually see how they turn out in real life. Let's get started. Holy crap, I almost forgot. Add 1 egg. Okay, it's in there. It's been 10 minutes and I'm actually taking it out now. There you go, buddy. Almost came out like a cookie sheet. Don't recommend you put this in a big dish like I did. Oreo cheesecake cookie cake, which is fun. That was pretty good. Wow, let's go. Hope you enjoy, give it a try yourself, and let me know what other recipes you would like me to try. I will try to make them. No promises, but I'll try.